So cleaning your tank is pretty easy. Let's go through the steps one by one here. So step number one, you're gonna wanna dump your tank. You wanna get everything out of there that's in there already. Step number two, now we're gonna go ahead and rinse our tank. And here's how we like to rinse a tank. With your black tank valve closed, fill your tank completely full by holding down the foot pedal on your toilet. Keep filling it until it starts to back up into the bowl. Now you know your tank is completely full. Head back outside, open your black tank valve, and let it rip. Now your tank is completely rinsed. Before we clean it, we wanna make sure our tank has fresh, cool water completely filled to the top like I mentioned earlier. So we're gonna close our black tank valve, and we're gonna hold our foot pedal down again until the tank is completely full so we can clean every nook and cranny of the tank. Next step, you're gonna take your bottle of Clean It and you're gonna give it a good shake. You wanna shake it well so all of the bacteria that may have settled at the bottom can work its way up into solution. Now go ahead and pour the entire bottle into the tank through the toilet. Now we let it sit. As I mentioned before, time is magic. So at the minimum 48 to 72 hours, but the longer you can let this go, the better it's gonna be. So give it a few days, come back, and then we're gonna finish out our last steps. Now it's been a few days, you've let it sit inside the tank, and you're ready to dump your tank. Open your black tank valve and dump your tank. Now the tank is fully dumped, we're gonna rinse the tank well. If you remember how we rinsed the tank earlier, we're gonna do that same thing, but we're going to do it twice this time. So go ahead and close your black tank valve, head back into the RV, and now you're gonna hold your foot pedal down, and you're gonna let fresh, clean water run into that black tank until the water level fills up and starts to back up inside the bowl. Now, dump your tank by opening the black tank valve. Do this twice. If you're a recreational RVer, you're gonna do this once at the beginning of the season and once at the end of the season, and you are going to experience totally odor and clog-free camping. All right, so here's some special rules for full-timers. It's not that much different for you guys, but it's a little different. So here's how we're gonna do this. Step number one, dump your tank. This will help get rid of any leftover waste that's inside there. Step number two, we're gonna rinse our tank. So here's how we're gonna do it. Go ahead and close your black tank valve. We're gonna go back into the RV, and now we're gonna hold down the foot pedal, and we're gonna let the tank fill up until you start to see the water back up into the toilet. Once you see it backed up into the toilet, you know your tank is now full. Head back outside, and now we're going to open the valve and dump the tank. That's our first good rinse. So now that you've rinsed your tank, it's time to start cleaning your tank with Clean It. Now, as a full-timer, it's a little different here. Normally, we would have you fill your tank and use Clean It, but a full-timer can't have the luxury always of leaving their RV unoccupied for a few days. So here's what you're gonna do. Now that you've rinsed your tank, you're gonna close your black tank valve. Go ahead and add about 5 to 10 gallons of water. Now that you've got some water in the tank, go ahead and take your bottle of Clean It and shake it really well. You wanna make sure that the bacteria that may have settled on the bottom is in solution. Now you're gonna pour the entire bottle into your black tank through your toilet. Now, you're going to use your RV toilet as normal, but you wanna try to use it as long as possible. So try to stretch it out over 3 or 4 days so that the Clean It inside the tank has as much time to work inside the tank as possible. Now, keep in mind, for optimal results, you wouldn't use it this way. Optimal results would be you fill the tank with fresh water, add Clean It, and leave for a few days. So as full-timers, you're not getting quite as strong of a clean as you would if you did it this way. But for most people who are full-timers, if you're doing this every 4 months, you're doing a good job of staying on top of the waste buildup, so you should be fine. Now that your tank is completely full and it's time to dump your tank, we're gonna go outside and dump your tank. Now we're gonna rinse your tank. We've done this before. Go ahead and close your valve and head back into the RV. Hold your foot pedal down until the water starts to back up inside the bowl, which indicates that your tank is full. Head back outside and open your tank valve. Dump your tank. That's rinse number one. We're gonna repeat that a second time. Your tank has now been deep cleaned by Clean It, and you can rest assured that every nook and cranny and ledge is spotless inside the tank, and you're good to go for another 4 months as a full-timer. Remember, we do recommend every 3 to 4 months you treat your tanks with Clean It to keep that level of clean at the level it is today.